We'll guide you through how to add effects in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many Blender users want to enhance their renders with effects like lens distortion and blur, but do not know how to use the compositing panel. Beginners especially need clear steps. It helps them improve visual quality, understand node-based editing, and create more professional and polished results in their projects. First, open Blender by clicking it on your desktop to launch the program. Then, open your project by pressing Ctrl and O on your keyboard and select the file you want to work on. Once your project is open, you can adjust more elements in your project before adding any effects, such as positioning objects or changing lighting. After preparing your scene, add a camera so you can view and render your project properly. Next, press numpad 0 to switch into camera mode and see what the camera sees. From there, find an angle first by moving or rotating the camera until you get the desired view. Once you are satisfied with the angle, press F12 to render the image and preview how it looks. When the render is finished, close the render window to return to your workspace. After that, look for the compositing panel on the top menu and click on it to switch to the compositing workspace. In this panel, add a plus on the scene panel to enable nodes so you can begin working with effects. From here, you can press Shift and A to add nodes that will modify your render. In this case, I will add lens distortion and blur effects to enhance the visual appearance. Once the nodes are added, set them first by adjusting their values and connecting them properly to the render layers and output nodes. Take your time to fine-tune each effect until it matches the look you want. After you are done setting up the effects, go back to the layout panel to continue your work. Finally, render the image again to apply the changes and see the final result with the added effects. Following these steps carefully will help you enhance your render using Blender's compositing tools. With regular practice, you will become more confident in using nodes and creating visually appealing results for your projects.